This is how you will change your eXp passport password. Okay, log into your OKTA, then look for this tile, eXp Enterprise. Okay, I'll click on it, and then we're going to click on my account. All right, and then change password right here. Okay, I'll click on it, and now enter your current password. Okay, your new password, and then your new password again. After you're done, click change. Okay, and then click save. You can also click on my business, all right, and then click on my passport account. Okay, and click on change password. Same thing, current password, new password, new password, change. Okay, and then click save.